Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to find and delete blank cells in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and you can see here I have a simple data. In this data I have the blank cell. So let's see how it find and delete. Simply select the one cell and use the Ctrl A shortcut key to select the full data. Okay, then use the Ctrl G to shortcut key to open the go to dialog box. Okay, then click on the spatial option and click on the blanks and click on OK. Here you can see all blanks cell is found. See, all blank cell is showing the selected. Okay, after that I want to delete this blank cell. To delete this, press the Ctrl minus key from keyboard and you can see the delete dialog box is open. When you click on the shift cell up, okay, it's mean the selected cell is deleted and the below cell will shift up. Okay, so I just click on OK. That's it. You can see the selected cell is deleted and below cell will shift up. So this is the way you can find the blank cell and delete the blank cells in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.